यू नो आई ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट फ्रीक्वेंसी. मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ हमारी फ्रीक्वेंसी पे काम करना चाहिए, हमें फ्रीक्वेंसी अपग्रेड करनी चाहिए, अपलिफ्ट करनी चाहिए. बट आप बोल रहे होंगे मैम इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू से, बट टेल मी अबाउट इट. In my life there is nothing called happiness. It's very difficult for me to focus on frequency when I'm actually trying to work on very small things like health, relationship, career, money. जॉब नहीं है, पैसे नहीं है, रिलेशनशिप नहीं है, मेरा पूरा फोकस उसी में चला जाता है. तो मैं कहाँ से फ्रीक्वेंसी पे काम करूँगी. टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू share 3 manifestation blocks with you, which is stopping your manifestation completely. These 3 blocks are very simple yet super powerful. Try it out. Try releasing these blocks and see how manifestation starts working. First block you need to release is forgiveness. You're thinking that मैं उसको forgive क्यों करूँ? I shouldn't because he doesn't deserve forgiveness. I get it. I agree with you. The person doesn't get your forgiveness. But I am talking to you for yourself, not for others. I'm not on other person's side who hurt you. I'm on your side. What am I saying? I am saying you forgive that person for yourself. Look at it this way. You're carrying this one bucket full of dirty water, which is called anger, frustration, resentment. You're carrying this on your head, which is smelling, which is stinking. And that weight of that bucket on your head is becoming heavy and heavy. That is slowing the speed of your walk, slowing the speed of your growth. बट यू कैरिंग इट, यू आर सेइंग नहीं मैं फॉरगिव नहीं करूँगी, मैं इस बकेट को जाने नहीं दूंगी, क्योंकि मैंने उसको फॉरगिव कर दिया तो उसको लेसन कैसे मिलेगा. बट ट्रस्ट मी, बाय यू कैरिंग दिस बकेट ऑफ रिजेंटमेंट, एंगर, फ्रस्ट्रेशन is not going to give him the lesson. The person has already moved on. He has already forgotten. He is already living his life happily. You carrying the bucket is punishing you. You are not punishing the other person. You are punishing yourself. I am asking you to take that bucket off your head and leave it. Leave it behind. I am asking you to forgive that person. Start with, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. It will clear off. You will start vibrating at a positive energy, and this positive energy will attract positivity for you. Visualize that person and say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I know it's difficult. I am not saying it's easy. करके देखो 108 बार, ट्राई इट आउट, एंड सुबह उठ के आप देखना क्या लगेगा. यू विल फील सो लाइटर बिकॉज दैट बकेट इज ऑफ योर हेड completely. Now speed of your growth, speed of your walk will increase. What is this 4 sentence? I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. This is a Ho'oponopono prayer. It's a very powerful prayer, and it is my favorite, absolute favorite. I don't start my day without this. My day starts with it, my day ends with it. This prayer involves 4 sentences. I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. This is a forgiveness prayer. This is a prayer where we accept people, where we accept situations in our life as it is. इससे ज़्यादा मैं यहाँ नहीं एक्सप्लेन करूँगी. ज़्यादा अगर होपनोपनो सीखना है तो क्या करना है, डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दे रही हूँ, फर्स्ट लेसन फ्री दे रही हूँ, आ जाओ, अटेंड कर लो और सीख लो. Who is going to deliver the first lesson for you? My name is Indu Khatri. My husband Mitesh Khatri. We both are law of attraction coaches and author of this book, The Law of Attraction. We run this program called Ho'oponopono Healer Certification Program, where we are teaching you in detail how this Ho'oponopono science works, how this prayer works, and how this prayer can become a major part of your life, the way it is major part of my life. You can come and learn because I'm giving you the first lesson absolutely free. And it's a fantastic lesson. It's a life transforming lesson, and you would remember this particular day, the day you attend that free lesson, entire life of yours. That's my guarantee. Let's work on the second block. What is the second block? Second block is what we say to ourselves. We are literally चलता फिरता critic for ourselves. पूरे दिन भर में हम अपने आप को कोसते रहते हैं. We keep saying things to ourselves which are not good for us. Things like I'm so stupid, I don't look good, I have bad hair, I have bad habits, why am I like this? ये सब चीज़ें हम पूरे दिन भर में बोलते रहते हैं. And we start our day with this, we end our day with this. And you know what? Every single time you say, I am not good, or I have a bad habit, or money doesn't stay with me, when you say all these things, there is a small little angel sitting on your shoulder. देखो मत, मैं दिखती नहीं है वो, मगर है बैठी. That angel is universe. You know what is she saying? She's saying tathastu. If you say I'm fantastic, she'll say tathastu. If you say I'm very bad, she'll say tathastu. You say I'm a money magnet, she will say tathastu. You say money doesn't come to me, yaar, money doesn't love me, I'm always broke, she'll say tathastu. So she doesn't know what is good, what is bad. She just know one thing, saying tathastu. Now you need to know कि आपको तथास्तु किस पे लेना है. आपको इस टॉपिक पे तथास्तु लेना है जहाँ आप अपने आप को क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हो, या उस पे लेना है जहाँ आप अपने आप को प्रेज कर रहे हो. अब आपको चूज करना है आपको बोलना क्या है. रिमेंबर, शी इज सिटिंग ऑन योर शोल्डर एंड सेइंग तथास्तु. चूज योर वर्ड वाइजली फॉर योर सेल्फ and of course for others also. This is your second block. Third block is you don't have to be always positive. You must have seen lot of videos where everybody is saying be positive, be positive. मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ आपको. You don't have to be always positive. You can be negative. You can feel jealous. You can be sensitive. You can get angry. You can get really any negative feeling you want. Accept yourself and move on. How fast you come out of that feeling is the magic. Get angry for 5 minutes. But then after 5 minutes, consciously come out of it. मेरा और मितेश का बहुत सिंपल रूल है. रात को सोने से पहले फाइट खत्म करनी. हाउ डू यू कम आउट ऑफ दिस फ्रीक्वेंसी? से थैंक यू फॉर एवरीथिंग यू सी अराउंड. Say thank you for light, for fan, for AC, for table, for clothes, for parents. Whatever comes in your mind, just start saying thank you. The moment you say thank you, one, आपका दिमाग shift हो गया. Second, gratitude. Gratitude brings positive energy anytime. So today, what did we learn? We learned to remove 3 blocks which is blocking our manifestation. What was that? First, forgiveness. Forgive others for them, not forgive others for yourself, not for them. That is one. Second, self-talk. Remember that angel is sitting on your shoulder and she is saying tathastu. Now you need to know when you want to take tathastu. Third one is negative emotion. Live that emotion for 5 or 10 minutes, but then come out of it. Take yourself out of it. Snap out of it. तो 3 चीजें हमने आज सीखी. Forgiveness, self-talk and living in the negative emotion. Except you have the negative emotion, come out of it. Simple.